Hello,
Hello, teacher.
are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
At first, we have personal information. Could you please tell me what's your name, how old are you, and where do you live?
My name is Nana. I'm 10 years old. I live in the Golden Anthem.
Where?
The Golden Anthem.
Okay, good. Tell me, please, what examples of extreme weather do you know?
I know many extreme weather like blizzard, tropical storm, heat wave, and thunderstorm.
Okay, tell me, please, what happens if a storm brings too much rain?
If a storm brings too much rain, it have a flood.
Okay, what happens if the place gets too little or no rain?
If a place get little rain, it had a drought.
Okay, nice. What types of storms happen when it's very cold?
When it's very cold, it has a tropical storm,
Very cold.
uh, ice storm,
And,
and hurricane.
and blizzard.
Yeah.
Okay. What types of storms have very high wind speed?
Uh,
Tropical storm
sand,
and
sandstorm,
sandstorm and hurricane.
hurricane.
Okay. Tell me, please, have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, I have.
What was it?
It was a thunderstorm.
Okay. How did you feel and what did you do?
I feel scared and I go to my home
And
and go to my bed and sleep.
okay, good. Now we need to find the differences. Okay. I have a picture, but my picture is different from yours.
Yes.
And we will say a sentence one by one to compare it. Okay. For example, in my picture, the weather is sunny.
But in my picture, the weather is cloudy.
Okay, now your turn.
In my picture, the tree has many orange.
Okay, but in my picture there are many apples. Mhm. In my picture you can see two cows.
In my pic, but in my picture, there are two sheep.
You go.
In my picture, there are girl, two, one girl and one boy.
What are they doing?
They are play football.
Okay, but in my picture there are two boys playing football. In my picture there is the girl who's reading the book.
But in my picture, she is sleeping.
Mhm.
In my picture, the boy is wearing a green t-shirt.
Green jumper. Okay, but in my picture he's wearing a red jumper.
Yeah.
Go next.
In my picture, there are two
Tents.
tents. One is one is blue and one is purple.
Okay, but in my picture there is only one purple tent. Okay? Now let's go to the next part. Here we need to exchange information. Okay? At first, I will ask you questions about Harry's favorite restaurant and you will reply, and then you will ask me about Helen's favorite restaurant. Okay? Good. What is Harry's favorite restaurant name?
His name is Ben's Burger.
Okay. Is it expensive or cheap?
It is cheap.
How often does he visit it?
His visit is every Saturday.
What time does it close?
It's closed at 10 o'clock.
Is it near his home?
Yes, is it.
Okay, now you asking me?
What's Helen's favorite restaurant name?
It's pasta place.
Does is expensive or cheap?
Is it expensive or cheap?
It is expensive or cheap.
It is expensive.
How often does she visit it?
She visits it once a month
What time does it close?
at midnight.
It is near home.
No, it isn't. Okay. And now you can choose the topic to talk about, one or two.
One.
Okay. Could you please talk about your favorite musical instrument?
My favorite musical instrument is piano. I like it because I can relax when I play it. I can play piano a little bit. When you play it, you have to remember a note, a chord, and a melody. I sometimes play it. You have to practice a lot to play it better. I can play Happy Birthday and alphabet song in the piano.
What kind of musical instrument is it?
It's a percussion instrument.
How does it make sound?
It makes sound
When you,
when I press the button,
the key.
the key in the piano.
So what happens? The
The
hammer
hammer inside is
hits
hits the
strings.
string to make music.
Okay. What else can you say? Do you have a piano at home? No. Okay. Does anyone else in your family can play the piano?
My mom.
Your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Is it easy or difficult?
Is in my opinion is difficult
Why?
because uh, I have to practice every day.
For how much time?
1 hour.
1 hour every day? Okay, good. That's all?
Yes.